Alright y'all, welcome to Not So Simple Garage. If you like this channel or any of the content, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notifications every time I post a video and you can get every update on this channel. I would really appreciate it. Leave a like if you like the video and comment anything you'd like. So thanks for watching and let's get to the video. And then we're gonna move over here. We're gonna get all these bolts reattached. I'm carrying this around like a lantern just because there's really shitty lighting in here. We're gonna get all these bolts reattached, let that set up for a while, and that should hold enough for me to be able to bolt this thing back in all the way and keep it solid. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Alright, so we're gonna use some quick weld from JB Weld. It's got some pretty good strength. Set time 6 minutes, cure time 4 to 6 hours. So, let's see if this works. I'm going a little heavier on the hardener because I want it to harden up really good.
I guess I didn't realize these were like bolted down. It makes sense, but
Okay, so grab your side.
a second.
Okay, so your holes should line up pretty easy. Okay, but before you drop yours on, line the front up too. Pressure there. Push that good one in, and it's good.
Oh, yeah, it's some nuts. Probably the ones that like stay there.
I'm happy I got this fixed.
What? This one? Oh, yeah.
I JB welded those studs in, and I'm letting it, I put the nuts on the studs on the bottom side, but I didn't tighten them down yet. So this weather stripping I put on is actually pretty thick. You can see it pretty well underneath. There's a pretty decent gap. But over time that'll compress, and then I'll just keep retightening it until it's fully bottomed out. Over here, you can definitely tell it's not even tightened up at all yet. So it says cure time is 4 to 6 hours. So I'm gonna come over in the morning, sink those nuts down. My car's ready to roll. She's getting there for sure. So I'm super stoked right now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you get updates to every future video that I post. If you did, I would really appreciate it. It would mean the world to me. Like the video if you liked it. Comment what your favorite part was and what I should do next. So with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one.